Hi, John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. I'm reviewing the account of one of our traders, Badu. Badu has been with us from the 21st of January 2021 up until the present day of 2nd of March 2021. The last trading day of this trader that we'll review the account up to is the 26th of February 2021. Looking at Badu's trading account, he's maintained an average daily gain of 0.24%, which is higher than previous traders that I've reviewed as of recently. And at the end of the day, Badu is trading 30,000 US dollars, which is stage two of the FTP program. So at first he initially started at $15,000. Now he's gone up to $30,000. Let's look at his journey. So Badu has started, well, 0.53% gain, and you can see he's had a deficit of minus just zero point 0.9, just under 1%. And his journey's gone steadily. As you can see, in January, he got to 6%, 6.12, February, the 2nd, 8.52, dropped down. Then eventually he got to 9% February the 15th, dropped down, down. Then finally, he got 10% on the 26th of February 2021. Very good. Congratulations. Now, looking at the account balance, you can see how the equity's grown from 15,000, it's dropped down to, but he's always maintained the drawdown on the positive territory. The drawdown is 13,500, just around this mark here. But you can see Bayern has actually clearly maintained a steady curve. So his lowest was $14,865 and his highest was $16,289. So he's just shy of 1,500 because we need 16,500 to hit the target. And as you can see, 16.3, 16.3, he's maintained it down to 16.6, 16.2, 16 and 16,504. So he made his target with an extra $4 on top. And as you can see from down here, we can see the amount of lot sizes. He's traded 1.3 lots in total. You can see 1.38, but when he hit his target, he had 1.25 lots at his disposal. So you can tell Bayern is a very sophisticated trader managing his lot size and preserving the balance as well. And as we can see that, and you look at the drawdown as well, the biggest drawdowns came on the 5th of February at 2% and on the 18th of February at 2.2%. So the drawdowns are just relatively 2%. As you can see, 1.42 accumulated 1.77. The lowest the drawdown is got is 0.2%. So you can see this is a clear trader with good money management techniques. Badu has had a total of only 76 trades. And out of these 76 trades, we got a total of 371 pips and 19. His best trade to date was on the 29th of January at $185.50, and his worst trade was on the 18th of February at $442.42. And on the 18th of February, we can see this, that's where he had roughly about 1.9%. And you see, this is a bad trade. We're talking about 2.3%, where he lost 2.3% and he's into drawdown. But this trader clearly is successful. Despite having losses, he's still got gains. And let's have a look at his trading summary. Badu has traded quite a range of instruments as well. And as we can see, we have quite a range from the Australian dollar CAD down to the US dollar yen. So we have a combination of pound pairs, dollar pairs, euro pairs, and cross pairs. And out of all these pairs, the pairs that stand out significantly for me and what I can see Badu's traded is the New Zealand dollar US dollar, where he's made a total of $542. And if you look on that's on the long side. And if you look at the total amount of pips gained, we have the New Zealand dollar US dollar, followed by the pound US dollar. These are the two pairs that's given Badu the significant boost to make his profit. But at the same time as well, Badu has had quite a few pairs that he's trading, as we can see from down here. These are all the trades that he's taken, but you can see he's diversified his risk very well. Very well diversifying his risk across these pairs, and a combination of all these asset pairs, he's made these 10%. So the biggest gains came from the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, the pound US dollar, and in between the rest of them, he's just diversified and hit his target. Look at all these trades now. Let's have a look. Total 76 in total, which is not bad. So if we look at the history compared to that out, look at all these gains. 0.4, 0.25, just various lot sizes over 4 pages of data. And we can see the consistency. Small consistent gains. A big loss here, as we can see, and we can see that on the second. But this trade is only currently open at 2 days, so we can mind that. And what we got here, we got gains. So besides those two trades open, his losses are very minimal. 1, 2. Oh, that's on the 21st. Move on to the second page as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Compared to the other trades, no losses here. 5, 6. So I can't even call 0.95 a loss. But this trader's been very skillful in maintaining his balance. And look at overall, 6% gains in January, 3.77% in February. Now we're on to March. So what can I say about this trader? Not a lot, but very well done, and congratulations on hitting your 10%. I'm very confident now, based on this equity chart I'm seeing and your results. I'm very confident you're going to come on to 10% again, and you're going to be getting to $60,000, and I'll be doing another review. So I wish you all the best. Congratulations. And all I'll say is just keep doing what you're doing. Don't deviate from your trading plan. And I wish you all the best. And I know you're going to be successful.